that I guarantee. And each time you whisper, I love you, I'm trying to remind you that you are the nicest thing that has ever happened to me. I cannot wait to see you in 2020. Love you.
Thank you very much, Mami. Congratulations and happy birthday.
Be by your side and love you every day. So goodbye. If we smile, you can never be too happy inside.
Good morning!
It's a happy ending story. It's the one love can make the world go round. Don't let it bring you down. Until your face is you get by with a little prayer and a song.
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday po. Ayun, Ma, may nagpapamigay po sa inyo. Surprise gift po sa inyo. Ito yung flowers. Candy balloon. And then the pizza.
In a world where everybody gets a happy ending story, it's the one that can make the world go round and round and round and round. Don't let it bring you down until your face is around. You get by with a little prayer and a song. Baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong.
Hey, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Now it's time to kiss away
Yes, thank you very much, Ma. Maraming salamat po. Yes, ma'am. Ano po yung masasabi niyo sa nagbadala ng mensahe sa inyo? Yung mga palababag sweet niya.
Hindi ko talaga sa first time. Salamat po. Message ko na lang.
Thank you.
Thank you po!
Thank you very much. Isang picture na lang po, ma'am. Yung kasama yung item.